Hi, everyone. Thank you very much that you are coming. Thank you very much for the organizer that invite me to speak with you about the crypto and about the blockchain. So today I will speak about the future of the economy. But the main thing that I have in my head, in my company, so we absolutely understand that future is now. And the finance economy totally transferred. So today we will speak about this. Maybe a few words about me. So my name is Volodymyr Nosov. I am a CEO and the founder of the WhiteBIT group. Also, I'm a honorary consul of Ukraine in the Balearic Island. Investor and chairman of the supervisory board of the football club Metalist in Ukraine. And also, I have a lot of things about the football. So we are a sponsor of the Barcelona, the Juventus, the national team of Ukraine. So I have some experience in the football also. I'm author and the host of the world's first YouTube show about the cryptocurrencies by High. This is a show where we are drinking a little bit beer or whiskey and speak about the crypto and the blockchain and the finance. But it's only in Ukrainian, so I'm so sorry about it, but you can watch it with the translator. So some few numbers about the WhiteBIT group and what we have now. So the last year we finished with the 2.7 trillion trading volume in our platforms. Estimated market cap of the total group is 39 billion. We have a 5,500 customers, B2B customers in our group, 35 million of the retail clients, 800 trading pairs in our own blockchain and our own coin, the WhiteBIT coin, that rises 27 times for the last 2 years, with the total market cap for now is $9.5 billion. So today we will speak about, I have a lot of things about the blockchain and the crypto industry in total. When I prepare it for this presentation, the first try was 1 hour. So we got it 3 times. So maybe a few words. My main idea with you to make you understand that this industry, this era, already here. And first of all, you need to think about it. So I will not speak about to buy something or sell something or invest something. This is first of all about thinking that the industry is coming, that the big players already implement a lot of different solutions, and other things that I tell you after. So today, what is the crypto industry in total and the blockchain industry in total? This is 600 million of global crypto users in total. 4.4 plus trillion market cap. 130 plus countries exploring CBDCs, exploring the regulation, exploring a lot of the things to implement different part of the blockchain solutions into the government and etc. So. And one of the things that I want to speak more today about the tokenization, because this is a greatest part and greatest possibility for every businesses and also for you in personal. So you need to think about it. You need to hear about it. So the revolution of finance. What is this? So for the last 30 years. The world totally changed. Yes. So if we compare our global life and our world 30 years ago and now, we understand that our lives is totally changed because now we are coming into the internet era. So a whole thing that we have is absolutely different because now. If you wanna trip somewhere, you need some hours, not a days, not a weeks. If you wanna call your friend in the United States, you need seconds. If you want to build something, if you want to have a meeting, I don't know, with your international offices, you can do it absolutely easy because all of these things come in with the internet. So, and whole parts of our life is changed, but only one is not. And this part is a financial part. So this is an old call that are still alive, and you know that for the calls, for some communications, for everything, we need the seconds. But for our basic operations, but our finance operations, we need sometimes SWIFT can go 5 days or 7 days, sometimes 10 days, I don't know. And it's not possible to check it because some banks speak with some banks, with some banks, with some banks. And after your customers say, I'm so sorry, but I don't receive your payment, so we can't deliver for you something. So the blockchain and the crypto is, first of all, solve this problem. So, of course, this is about payment speed, but this is not only payment speed. This is a speed of processes in the finance that we have. So another part is a cost saving. Of course, with the crypto, you can absolutely easily change your prices that you now pay with your basic financial institution. But this is only one part. If we speak about the business, also important thing that if you have a business, you all time, if you have an online business also, you all time thinking about the implementation of some payment methods that you can use in your business, in your service, or you sell some goods, it doesn't matter. And implementation of the providers that help you with the payment solutions is really hard, and it's all time about the time and about a lot of things. With the crypto, you can do it absolutely easy. So if you open some service and you have a site, I don't know, or you have only, I don't know, Instagram, it's absolutely easy to implement the crypto payment. Implement the crypto payment providers. You need for this not more than 30 minutes. And you can, after this, you can receive the payments from the whole world without any barriers. So this is about the speed. So if we compare the basic start of the business with the basic fiat payment providers and the crypto providers, is like we compare the weeks, months, and 1 day. So this is help you, of course, to react on the different ideas very fast. And that I say about the global accessibility. So with the crypto, you without any problem open for your business a lot of opportunities to work with the people from around the world. So you don't need to make a lot of proof of your client, a proof of some different bank account and other things. You can make the contract with him, the public contract, the smart contract in a cloud, and after receive the payment in seconds. That's all. So here you are close the circle of the operation, and this is really important for you. So another part that I tell you previously is about the tokenization. I don't know truly how it's directly work in Spain. I think the same problem as we have in Ukraine. So when I start my business, the first and the main pain that I have to raise the capital. So this is the first thing, and another thing. To open the business internationally for the customers all around the globe. So what the tokenization can give you? Tokenization is like maybe you hear about the ICO in crypto, but it's pretty similar to, I don't know, to the IPO process. So you can give your shares internationally without any problem for the investors all around the world to work with your business. As example, we can take the real estate tokenization. And I have a lot of friends and partners and colleagues that works globally. And about the numbers, so tokenized real estate transaction projected 35 billion in 2025, and it's only because this is a start of this market. Why the start? Because now the regulation only now is coming. First of all, if we speak about the Europe Union, so now the part of Europe have a regulation, direct regulation with the absolutely clear rules for everyone in the industry. It's named MiCA. Some countries implemented up to June of 26. But this regulation and this law help for the businesses, as we say, Web 2, the businesses that we already know now, can make a bridge with the Web 3. So this is a decentralized systems, decentralized contracts, decentralized payments, decentralized banks, and other things. But in total, this market grows year to year 35%, but I think in 5 years, this market will grow, I don't know, in 1,000% from till now, because a lot of goods, a lot of businesses, for now don't have access for the international investors in the international capital. So imagine that one of my friends built a commercial real estate and start the process like the most companies in the market doing. So he started this process, and after make the tokenization of each square inch of the commercial that he wanna do. And for 3 months, he raised more than $1.1 billion internationally. And it's absolutely easy because everyone from us can invest on it. So you can buy 1 square meters, half square meters, 25 centimeters of the new real estate in Dubai. So, and it's work not only with the real estate, it's work with any cases that you have, with your services, with your small business, I don't know, only in Spain, it doesn't matter. So you can open your business, all of your things for the international investors, for the retail investors, and it's also work, because we all times try to speak with someone big, with some big names, with the foundations, with the family offices, I don't know. But absolutely easy to speak with the guys that are really invest for you, I don't know, 50 euro. But if you work with the 8 billion people around the world, so you can easily, if you have a real idea, you can easily find the capital for your business, for your growth. So the economy effect. Blockchain jobs up 40% year to year in Europe, 24-25. Here we have a problem. So in total, in the whole world, for now we have not more than 7,000 developers, blockchain developers. From these 7,000, 5,000 working in-house. From these 5,000, 1,500 works in the US. 3,000 work in Asia. And only around the 500-600 works in the Europe. From these 600, 250 works in our company. But you need to understand the main thing here. Now in June of 26, the Europe totally implement the regulation. And after a lot of businesses start to think about implementation of blockchain, crypto, payment gateway, and other things. But you can't, because the hands that can do this is really limited. is really limited. And that's why I have a lot of conversation with the big guys, with the big banks, with the big names. And I have one colleague. This is a big bank with the, I don't know, 11,000 people that works in it. I asked him 2 years ago, my friend, how many blockchain developers do you have in your? They have a blockchain development team in the bank. I asked him, how many people do you have on board in your bank? 2 years ago, he said 3 people: director, marketing, and someone plus. After the 2 years, we speak few weeks ago. I asked, how many people do you have in your blockchain development team? He said 6 persons in total. I say, ooh, this is a lot. So now the big names, the JP Morgan, the BlackRock, and other guys invest $1 billion to hire the teams that can do something, because they absolutely understand that in 6 months, in 1 year, this will start like a crazy hype. Because in 1 year or 2 years, you wake up in the morning and understand, if you don't have the blockchain in your business inside, you are a soul. 100%, I tell you. Remember my words about it. So yes, so this is something new. Some years ago, I watched the interview into the YouTube and in the US, and the ladies journalist asked the big guy, the big economy guy. I think PhD in economy, and they ask him, they tell that, what do you think about the future of the internet? And they speak blah, 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 and after he say, listen me, I tell you, 110%, never people will buy shoes in the internet. This is a 1994. 1994. What's happened after, we know. So this is the same situation. This is the same situation with the I think the main and important part of all our personal life and about our businesses. So I am here to tell you that you need to wake up and understand. You know, when the big names, when the big guys like BlackRock do something behind the scenes, we're sleeping. When we are wake up, we can't do anything because they take all of the things behind. So now I'm here to tell you that wake up and think about the perspective, your personal perspective, and the perspective for your business. And also one thing I forget. My presentation is all time is with something, with some improvisation, because I'm not preparing for it. The one thing that you need to know, that you need never speak about with some guys that tell you that they can teach you, that can give you the ideas and etc. Because on the market now, because this is absolutely new market, 95% of the people in the market is info businessmen. You need to understand it. And a lot of the companies in the industry is a company of one person. This is a director, CEO, marketing, and other things. But they say that they are too big. For now, not so many companies in the world have a real power to do something, to build something, to set up something. And so that's why you need to do, all time, you need to do your own research. First of all, you don't need to think about the crypto, about the rising money and something like this, because the crypto is the only second part. First of all, The main thing here, the blockchain is a technology. So you need to understand how this technology works. And another thing, everyone tell me that the crypto is coming for some anarchy because it's so secure. You don't work with the government. You can work like in a personal banker for yourself. But you need to understand the crypto coming to trace your transaction faster that you're doing that you have now in the fiat. Because if we have some AML risk in the fiat transaction, we can find this AML risk in 6 months or in 1 year. If we have the AML risk in the crypto, we can find it in seconds. So that's why the crypto implements in the government and implements in a different ways to control your pockets. Not to bring you freedom. Forget about this idea. This is to control. And if you know how it's work, you can be accurate in the new era. If you don't, sorry, not sorry. So thank you very much. Building the future together, building the future today. Thank you.